Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, thank you for tuning back in. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, that's right, here we go again with it. This is some Caribbean jerk chicken wing. Buffalo Wild Wings. So you guys can make this stuff as well. Let me see if I can get you up there close. Caribbean jerk sauce right there. Alright. So guys, I'm just showing you guys how you can go ahead and make your own stuff at home. Alright, they do sell this at Buffalo Wild Wings. I think it was $4.99. You can get that. They got seasoning and all that stuff. So if you want to save you some money, go ahead and do that. Alright, now I got a family pack of chicken right here, chicken wings. And I've marinated these chicken wings for 24 hours. Alright, and that's how those look. Alright, so first thing you want to do, you want to line your pan up with some foil. So you're going to get some drippings and all that good stuff. Then you want to preheat your oven to like 400 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and start placing these chicken wings on here, on this rack. Well, before we do that, let's go ahead and spread down real quick. Just like that, so it won't be sticking too bad, okay? And just put your chicken wings on there, like so. Make sure you get some sauce on there. I like to do mine with skin side up so it can get crispy. You can do it however you want to do yours, but that's just how I do mine, okay? And make sure you please clean your chicken. I don't care what they say, you don't have to clean your chicken and all that stuff. Just clean it. It's just, unless you want you some hair, some feather or something in yours or something. I'm gonna clean mine, so I'm gonna just tell you that now. So yeah, we're gonna cook this, guys, for about good, I don't even know yet, because I want mine to be a little dark, just like the regular. And I will show you a link to that one. I did make some jerk chicken from scratch, and I'll show you guys a link to that one as well. All I'm doing is the sauce that's in here right here, I'm just making sure it get coated real good. That's all I'm doing, guys. If you guys ain't never had Buffalo Wild Wings, I urge you to go check them out, because they off the chain. And I will leave some links to the other ones I made, because I got a couple more recipes from Buffalo Wild Wings that I'm going to be making also. So be looking out for that video. And if you guys ever eaten at Buffalo Wild Wings, comment down below and let me know, and tell me about your experience. Yep, Buffalo Wild Wing jerk, Caribbean jerk chicken wings. Okay guys, with the rest of this sauce, I'm just going to use my little paintbrush and just like dap some of this sauce on here. So I did use a half of that bottle also. Alright, I think that's about it. Excuse me. And that's what we looking like, guys. Alright guys, those are your chicken wings right there. And I will take a little of this olive oil. I'm going to spray some of that on top of it. Not a lot, just enough. I'm going to put this in the oven and let it cook for about a good 45 minutes. And I'll show you guys what we got in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just took it out the oven. It's at 30 minutes. I did put it on charbroil on the lowest setting for about 5 minutes. Alright, now what I want to do here is turn these. We're just going to go ahead and turn these over so they can get crispy on the other side. At this stage they pretty much done, but I like mine crispy, so that's why I'm turning them. And I will be putting some honey on there on these chicken wings also. And if you wanted to, you can squeeze you a little lemon juice or put you some lemon zest on it. We're going to put these bad boys back in the oven for another 15 minutes, and I'll show you what we got. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I just want to show you this up close. Alright, now if you're content with that, you can go ahead and set them up and feed your family. But I like to put a little honey on mine. So I got a little honey right here that I'm just going to put on there. It's optional. When I cook it on this side for about, I want to say about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out and put a little honey on the other side. And we're done. Now if you wanted to, you can just flip them around now if you want to, but I'm just going to do mine like this for now. The reason why I didn't give you an accurate amount, because I had like 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, this is organic honey. If you don't want to brush it on there, you can just squeeze it on there if you wanted to. So, about 4 tablespoons of honey. If you want honey on yours. And to spruce it up a little bit more, you can throw your little lemon juice on there, then put the honey on there if you want to. Alright, put this back in there for about 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over, and then put some more honey on it and serve it up. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this Caribbean jerk chicken wings. And I put honey on mine, and I also put my homemade, and if you guys want to see me make this, this is homemade seasoning. It's called orange lemon pepper seasoning. Alright, that's this right here. This is orange lemon pepper seasoning, guys. If you guys want to see me make this, just let me know, okay? Alright, so I just dusted that a little bit, just like this, and it's off the chain. Just to add a little bit more flavor to it. Alright, let me show you guys that. Those are the chicken wings. Caribbean jerk chicken wing. That's where that or better come in at. I know you guys be like, whatever. Put it right here. Yep. And just the sauce right there, guys. Me and this camera is gonna have a problem. Anyway, so guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell for me. Hit that bell, guys. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.